Hello everyone, my name is Abubakar Sleem and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss the concept of operators in Scratch. So basically, operators are symbols that can perform operations. It is simple math. For example, perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in maths. Similarly, in programming, we can also perform these operations. We can either add two numbers or subtract two numbers or multiply the numbers or divide the numbers. So these plus, minus, multiply, and divide symbols are known as operators, and these operators can perform an operation. So in Scratch, there are multiple operators that we can use depending on a requirement. For example, there is plus operator, which is used to add two numbers. Then there is minus operator that is used to subtract first number from the second one. Then there is a multiply operator which is used to multiply two numbers, and then there is divide operator which is used to divide two numbers. The next operator is pick random, which is an interesting operator. So I'll be explaining this to you by implementing a code. Move 10 steps. Now I can use pick random 1 to 10, and what this operator does is that it choose a number from 1 to 10 randomly. So I can use this operator like this. Now it will not move 10 steps, or it will not move one step. It will move random steps from 1 to 10. Okay, getting my point? So if you see the position of X right now, it is 27. But when I will press on this flag button, the position change to 28. Now, when I again click on this flag button, the position changed to 31. So first, the increment was, the change in position was 1 unit, and then the change in position was 3 units. So randomly, the position is changing. It is moving randomly because we have used this operator. Then there is greater than operator, less than operator, and equal to operator. These operators are used to compare two values, and it result in either true statement, true or false. So for example, if I am writing 50 greater than 30, it will return true. And if I am writing 50 smaller than 30, it will return false. Then there are logical operators which are and, or, and not. These operators also return true or false depending on the input, and return true if both the input are true. Otherwise, it will return false. If there is only one false, the result will be false. Similarly, OR operator also deals with at least two operands, and it will return false if both the operands are false. Otherwise, it will return true. Lastly, NOT operator is a logical operator which is unary. It requires only one operand, and it changes true into false, and it changes false into true. So basically, we can say that NOT operator is a complement operator. It changes true to false and false to true. Then there is join apple and banana. This is basically used to join two strings. Apple is one string and banana is the second string. So if you want to join these values, you can use this operator. Letter one of apple. So let me just show you an example. Just let me delete this block. And now I'll be using this look option. Say hello, and I'll be using this letter one of apple. for 2 seconds. Now what will happen? This sprite will say A because it is the first letter. So this sprite will say A for 2 seconds when I will click on this flag button. So you can see that only A has been displayed on the screen. So this is the purpose of this operator. Then there is an operator apple contains A. How many times? So it will return 1. If we write apple contains P, sorry, it will return true or false. If we write apple contains A, it will return true. But if we write apple contains B, it will return false. Similarly, mod is used to uh, find the remainder. Division operator is used to find the quotient, and modulus operator is used to find the operator remainder. So it will be used whenever we'll have to find a remainder in a program. And the last operator is absolute value of anything, and there are so many other options: absolute value, floor value, ceiling value, square root, sine, cos. So whatever mathematical function that you want to perform, you can use this. So these are the operators that we can use in Scratch. I hope that you have understood the concept. If there is any question, please let me know in the comment section, and please like the video and subscribe the channel.